Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this linen wrap skirt. So these are the measurements that I used. I usually wear like an XL or a European size 46. I started with cutting out all the pieces. So there's 2 front pieces and then 1 back piece. And then I'm also cutting out the waistband. I didn't have enough fabric for 1 super long strip, so I'm cutting out 2 strips and I'm gonna be sewing these together later on. So then I'm measuring out where I wanted the darts to be. I usually make darts of like 4 centimeters to 5 centimeters wide and then 10 to 15 centimeters long, depending on what I feel like, honestly. And I'm placing darts on both of the front pieces, so 1 on each, and then 2 darts on the back piece. And this is mostly just to give it some shape, not so that it's one really rectangular skirt, but like it goes in a little bit at the waist at least. And then I'm going to be sewing the darts into place, and I'm folding them together, and then I'm going to be sewing all along the line. And then I am placing the front pieces on top of the back piece, right sides facing each other, and I am going to be pinning together all the side seams. And now I'm sewing the side seams into place with first a straight stitch and then a zigzag stitch to prevent any fraying. Now I'm placing both of the front pieces on top of each other, and I'm going to be cutting out a quarter of a circle from the bottom of the front of the skirt to give it some shape. And I'm going to be doing a roll hem all along the open side and the bottom of the skirt, except for the top of the skirt, which we're going to work on later. And then I'm just sewing this into place with a straight stitch. Now I am sewing together the waistband. And I'm folding over 1 centimeter on both sides and then folding it in half. I recommend ironing this, but I was too lazy, honestly. And then we're gonna be pinning the skirt into the waistband. On one side I'm leaving like a really long piece of like waistband slash tie, and on the other side I'm leaving a shorter piece.
Listen to the ending.
So when you eventually wrap it around yourself, it's easy to tie it on one side. And then all that's left to do is sewing closed the entire tie slash waistband, and make sure that you're catching the fabric on both the bottom and the top of the waistband when you sew it closed.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's the skirt. It's a really easy DIY, and it's a lovely skirt. It's really breezy, perfect for summer, and yeah, I really love it. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you again, and have a nice day. Bye bye.